Good afternoon. Welcome back to Nomad Crib. My name is Ian. We're back in Medellin today. We're about 4 or 5 blocks up from Provenza and Parque Lleras, the entertainment district. Today we get to see this beautiful industrial style apartment with an amazing large balcony, perfect for entertainment. One of the great features of this building and this apartment is just down below here. We have a river running through the complex, so you can hear the ambient of the river. This would be perfect to get to sleep at night with that beautiful water flowing, that beautiful ambient. Check out this apartment. This is an industrial style apartment, a large balcony opening to the outdoors. As you can see, they've left the ceilings partially open to give it that industrial feel. And then here in the dining room and the kitchen, they've left it so that it has drywall. And you can see they have drop lights there. Beautiful open style kitchen, open plan kitchen with a nice gas stove, as you can see. And then over here, double door fridge, an oven. I'm sure the people would be open to selling all the appliances and furniture. Everything is negotiable. I'll put the price at the end screen of this place, but you can see super open concept here, industrial feel. They've done an amazing job. They even have counter space here for chairs, as you can see. Or if you want more formal, they've got a beautiful dining room table here. They've done an amazing job at equipping this apartment with beautiful, beautiful furniture. And as you can see here, a place to get some work done. Let's go take a look at the 2 bedrooms in this apartment. But first we'll take a stop here and take a look at the social bathroom. This apartment actually has 3 bathrooms, or 4 if you count the utility room in the back, which is the service area. If you want to have a full-time housekeeper, they have a service area in the back. This is the 2nd bedroom. We'll start in the 2nd bedroom first. This is a child's bedroom, or could be used as an office. And it has its own ensuite bathroom also, as you can see, complete with a rain shower and plenty of light streaming into the bathroom here. Now on to the principal bedroom, which is flooded with light. What I love about this apartment, no shortage of light coming in. And today in Medellin, it's a bit of a gray day, which is a very rare occurrence here. Usually only when it rains. But as you can see, very open. Lots of greenery around. Plenty of green space. If you have a pet, perfect for walking your dog. Really nice illuminated principal bedroom here. They have a walk-in closet. And here is the principal bathroom. Again, complete with a rain shower, as you can see up there, and his and hers sink. Okay, let's take one last look at the well-illuminated apartment with the industrial design. Again, a beautiful open plan kitchen here. And a formal dining area, as you can see. I love the openness of this apartment. Absolutely love it. And as you can see, they have a working space right here. Some people may not like that in the living room, but I actually like it. So you have a formal working area. And then I think the best feature of this apartment is this outside living space here that opens up onto the living room. All right, this is Ian from Nomad Cribs signing off for today. Again, we'll put the price of this apartment at the end screen. I hope you've enjoyed this short industrial apartment, 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom apartment, loft style. This is Ian from Nomad Crib signing off. See you in the next video.